Hey guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the case study Foldboard Touch. So this is the brand right here, case study. It is for Mac, iOS, Windows, and Android. This keyboard can be used on your laptop, desktop, or even your mobile phones, because this connects to your devices via Bluetooth. Foldable structure, so as you can see, it's really tiny here. So it is a foldable keyboard, ultra slim and lightweight, rechargeable battery, touchpad right there. On the side, there's their website if you want to check them out, casestudy-shop.com. So there you go, Foldboard Touch from Case Study. It's a wireless keyboard with touchpad, and there are some technical specs for you right here. So let's continue with our unboxing. Let's open this up. Okay. Nice packaging, I would say. So we have some user manual. We also have our micro USB cable right here, and the actual keyboard itself. Wow, it's tiny. You see the form factor right there. So there's the branding, case study right there. As you can see, it's slim. It comes in a small package right here, so you can carry it around with you. There. So that's our entire keyboard right here. So this composes of 63 keys, and we also have multimedia keys up here, just like with a regular keyboard. And here we have our touchpad, this area. So this serves as your trackpad for your fingers when you're using the keyboard. If you don't want to use maybe a separate mouse or something similar, we have some buttons up here. So I think that's the on and off switch right there, and this should be the pairing button for our Bluetooth connection. And this is how we charge our keyboard with the micro USB cable that came with it. So the keyboard also have mini rubber stoppers right here at the bottom, right there. So again, if we open up the keyboard, and there's some LED indicators in here, but that one is for the battery. It shows you how much juice you have. This should be blinking in terms of the indicator light, indicator LED light, if you're about to run out of juice for the keyboard, because this is a rechargeable keyboard. So it has a built-in battery, lithium-ion battery. You can use this keyboard for up to 48 hours of use. And in terms of standby time, you can use it for 560 hours. So that's the indicator for the Bluetooth connection, and that's the indicator for caps lock. So again, in terms of the battery, we have a 140 milliamp per hour battery built in. This one weighs 197 grams. So let's fold it first and use our trusty digital scale right here. Let's turn that on and see if it's 197 grams. Let's put it here. It's 193 grams. So I stand corrected. It's 193 grams. Just to add this keyboard has a sleep timer function. So if you don't use it for 10 minutes, it would hibernate, and you can wake them up with any button press, any buttons right here to wake the keyboard up. So to charge the keyboard, you can connect it to your machine or laptop, or maybe a power bank using our micro USB cable right here. So the charging slot for our micro USB cable, it's right here on the top with the on and off switch. You just have to plug it in the right way. There. So a red LED indicator light right here indicates that your keyboard is charging. This one goes out when it's fully charged. So to connect the keyboard to our iPad, we need to power it on right here. Just switch that to on, and there we go. So the Bluetooth connection on our keyboard is now activated right there. Now all we need to do is click on the pairing button next to the on and off switch. But before we do that, we also need to turn on Bluetooth on our device. Now we click on the pairing button there. So it should blink. There. So it's now blinking. So we should see Bluetooth keyboard 3.0 right there. So it should pair. So we need to key in the numbers shown on the screen, be able to connect to the keyboard. So that's 4645. So there you go. Our Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard is connected. So now we should be able to use it. Let's try to type in something. Good day to you. Yes. There you go, guys. As you can see, we can type on our iPad using our case study Foldboard Touch. So just to add, in terms of the touchpad right here that we have, one finger is a left click, two finger is a right click, and you use two fingers to scroll up or scroll down. Right there. Okay, normally this is the part where we do a sound test, but I assure you guys, you will hear nothing because it's really, these keys are silent. You won't hear anything. It's like a normal laptop keyboard. So it's the same here. Just to show you that you can really use this on your mobile devices, I will try to connect this now, this time on my Android. So let's turn the Bluetooth on. And let's click on the pairing button. Right there on the keyboard. There, Bluetooth keyboard, tap on it. Number 375071. 375071, enter. There we go, we're connected. Okay, now let's try to type in some message. Here guys, it's working. See, this is on my mobile phone. So maybe you can use this for sending SMS and chat, right? Before we continue, I would like to give a shout out to my uncle, Cesar Ner, now aboard the Allure of the Seas, one of the cruise ship from Royal Caribbean Cruise. This is actually a gift from him, So this video wouldn't be possible without him. So hey there, Uncle. And hello to everybody, all the Filipinos aboard the Royal Caribbean Cruise Allure of the Seas. Keep safe, guys, and keep on kicking ass out there. Thanks, Uncle Cesar. We'll see you soon. So there we go, guys, with our case study, Foldboard Touch Foldable keyboard. This keyboard is great. It's slim, it's light in terms of the form factor. It's really easy to operate right here. On and off switch, pairing button, charging port right there for micro USB. We have 63 keys on the keyboard. We have a touchpad right here, LED indicators. It has a ton of features. You can use it on your laptop, you can use it on your desktop, on the iPad, mobile phone, Android, and iOS. 48 hours working time on full charge, 560 hours standby time, and it has a lithium-ion 140 milliamp hour battery installed on it. And if ever you need a solid keyboard to take with you on your travel, this is really compact right there. So that's good from case study. So there you go, guys. If you have comments and inquiries about this item we have unboxed today, please comment them down below. If you like our video today, please toss a like down there. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell and select all, so you'll get notified when we upload our future videos. So once again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I will see you guys on the next video.